some more thing going on here.
Shout out to our prelims from earlier tonight.
Oh, big left hand.
My goodness, those two shots hurt him.
He's hurt.
Oosterbeck,
wow, look at this power
finish
shot.
this.
Oh my gosh,
oh my gosh, he's going heavy. Wow. That's gonna do it.
There's a reason this guy finishes. Wow, what a big left hand, John.
I mean, that
joke doesn't
featherweight. Wow. The power that he was firing into those shots. My goodness. I said he was 91 in his last 10. I just knew I could predict the future.
Knew that was happening, John.
Oh my goodness.
That was devastating. I hope Matt Jones is all right. He's looking down. I know he's frustrated, but those were some devastating shots. Let's take a look at the replay.
Сим карта сатып алуучуларга жаңы эреже. Кулактандыруу. 2024 жылдын 26 мартынан тарта Кыргызстандагы бардык уюлдук абоненттин персонификациялоонун жаңы эрежелери күчүнө кирет. Кыскасы эмес сим карта сатып алсаңыз, аны сөзсүз түрдө өзүңүзгө каттооңуз зарыл. Аны үчүн атайын кеңсеге баруунун кереги жок. Мобилдик оператордун өзүнүн тиркемеси аркылуу онлайн каттоодон өтсөңүз болот. Аны үчүн сизге бир гана паспорт керектелет. 2024 жылдын 1-апрелинен тарта саткан сим карталарда кээ бир кызматтар чектелүү болот. Качан сиз онлайн каттоодон өткөн соң бардык функциялар иштеп баштайт. Бийлик мындай чара жеке маалыматтын коопсуздугун сактоо үчүн кабыл алганын билдирди. Себеби биздин телефон номерлерге атайын электрондук капчыктар, банктык карталар жана соц аккаунттар байланган. Ошондой эле абоненттер мобилдик оператордун сатуу жана тейлөө кеңсесине барып өзүнүн паспорту менен каттоодон өтө алышат.
Those shots.
Boom, right on the chin. Oh, the right hand is what hurt him. Shoots in for a single leg, ends up on his back. Look at this power, John. Bang! Picking his shots. That's the experience of being 19 and 8 now. He didn't just go crazy. He picked his shots. Referee steps in with the good stoppage.
Yeah, no question about it. I'm sure Matt Jones was frustrated, but as you said, I don't think he knew where he was for a moment at the end of that fight, man. That was just vicious from Oosterbeck. That man is dangerous. Again, had some setbacks early in his career, but looks like a force to be reckoned with at this point in his career. My goodness.
19 and 8, I mean, that says UFC, it's time.
I mean, maybe Dana White's contender series. I mean, 19 and 8, do you go to the contender series?
Minimum. I think he should just go right put on the short notice list.
I agree. I mean, that is vicious.
I do think for the next show, John, you got to wear a hat like that, though. I do like that style. I think it'd look good on you.
Shout out to Kurdistan. I'm in for it. All right, let's take that Just Bernard and find out the official time.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 16 seconds into round number 1, referee Mark Smith calls a stop to the fight for the winner by TKO, Aziz Satыбалдиев.
This guy, that power he had with that left hand, followed up by the right hand, his lead right, then you know.
Standing inside the cage with your winner tonight, go translator. Okay, there we go. So Aziz, you came in here guns blazing. You came into war, and now you are 19 and 8. How great does it feel?
UFC! Strong! Well, strong! Strong! Good! Fine, go!
You got the thumbs up from Sean. I don't know what that means, but it's got to be good. You came up here with urgency. 16 seconds, and you finished the fight. That puts you at 19 wins in front of the man, in front of the UFC staff. Tough enough. Doing it for you on this platform. How great does it feel? You want to thank anybody out here tonight?
Пока не знаю. Спасибо, кто за меня болел. В дальнейшем мы посмотрим. Вот, мой менеджер, Влад, спасибо тебе, брат. For all brother, you. Thanks, bro. Посмотрим дальше, мы обсудим.
I'm ready for everything. I can fight every week, every month. It doesn't matter to me. I'll fight anyone at any place, at any time. I'll stay ready. I'll be ready. And let's see what the future brings me.
Я еще хочу поблагодарить нашему тренеру за комплимент, кто со мной рядом играет. Брат, за все, тебе спасибо. Ты для нас делаешь много, очень много. Спасибо тебе.
I want to thank my coaches, my manager, everyone that supports me and helps me. Thank you, Uriah Faber, Tinchuk Omarzakov. Thank you, guys.
Well, that's what the guys like to hear. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner tonight, Aziz Ozorbagoğlu.
Justin, you touched on him. He turned around and shouted at